This is going to be a video product review of the Honeywell HT-904, and this is the HT-900. Now, I bought the HT-900 a couple weeks ago and did a video review. You can check that out. But the HT-900 comes in black. The 904 comes in white. You can see on the screen over here, the white really stands out and looks bold. So I'm going to unbox this in a minute. Before I unbox it, let me just say my experience. I bought this thing. I had a Honeywell fan. This is what I said in my other review. I had a Honeywell fan that lasted for 18 years. And it was really dusty. I got to the point where I opened it up, I cleaned out the dust, and the fan motor was, after I cleaned it out, it was still going, and I didn't want to really open the thing up and start putting oil on the part inside there where it causes the blade to spin. I just didn't want to mess with that. These fans, what did I pay for this thing? These things are $17. So imagine 18 years ago, I probably spent about $10 or $12 to buy that. So imagine 18 years ago, I probably spent $10 or so to buy this one, and it lasted for 18 years. I keep this thing plugged in every night. In fact, I slept with it last night because the humidity in Los Angeles is just way, way up there at nighttime right now, and I cannot keep the air conditioner on because it's very uncomfortable. This fan on slow is really, it's not noisy, it's pretty quiet because I'm able to sleep through this, and I could never sleep with a fan. I just never was able to handle sleeping with a fan. So this thing says 3 speeds, 25% quieter. There is no doubt it's much quieter than the one I used to have. 25 feet away, I put it on high when I get out of the shower in the morning. I sit on the chair with the towel and I let the fan dry me. It's a lot easier than messing with the towel. Just relax, let the fan dry you off. Very relaxing, very comfortable. At nighttime, with the humidity, I'm keeping it on low. When I have the air conditioner on, I run these things with the air conditioner. So the air conditioner's cooling, it's blowing out from the 13 feet up on the wall. This is down on the floor, blowing air on me. I'm really comfortable. So let me say now, for $17, you can't beat this thing. What do they say about it? Cool fan, 25 feet away, 3 speeds, 90-degree pivoting, adjustable fan head. It's good. It's really good. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. Let me tell you, for this, they'll ship this out right away, probably the same day, the next day. This, they say that it takes about 3 weeks to a month. It took about a week. And I'm going to open it up now. We're going to look at it and see what it looks like. It's going to look like a fan, obviously, but it's going to have a white color instead of the black. At my mom's house, she's got a white fan, and that's why I bought this, because she doesn't have the Honeywell. And the fan that she's got right now is really quiet and doesn't blow hardly any air, and it's kind of worthless. And the fan that she had before was very loud and very noisy and very large, and it was just too much air to feel comfortable. It definitely cooled you off, but it was too much. So look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I would buy these now. We're almost getting into winter time. During the summer, everybody rushes over to the big box stores to buy fans, and they're all sold out. And still we have a problem with our supply chain and the pandemic. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so it's not a glossy white, but look at it. It's a beautiful white. So I've got this white one. I've got the black one. I've got another black one. I almost want to buy another one. I want to buy a whole bunch of these because I just think they're so good looking and they're so effective. I'm going to go plug it in now. We're going to turn it on, and you can see what I'm talking about. It does not come with a grounded plug. You don't need a grounded plug because the case is plastic. It comes with a polarized plug. That's the back of it. It comes with instructions for people who think they need instruction books on how to turn the switch. So we've got the switch over here, 0, 3, 2, 1, 3 being the most powerful, 1 being the least powerful. I'm going to turn it on right now. I'm going to turn it away. You're going to be able to see the blinds moving a little bit. This is high speed. That's quiet. For a fan, I know it's not a big fan, so I'm not going to say that it's incredibly quiet, but it's incredibly quiet. This is a big amount of... Oh, let's go. Here we go. Did I say that backwards? too. Look at that. You just, I got the air conditioner on in the background. The air conditioner is making more noise than this little fan. We're going to go slow. You can't even hear this thing. This is how fans should be made. To be honest, I wish they had this at an even slower speed, so you could have the air circulation and not blowing as hard for those times when you just want it right next to you, but you don't want all that air. But I can barely feel the air. I can feel the air blowing on me, but it's not annoying. I'm like 2, 3 feet away behind the camera. This fan is awesome. I know, okay, so maybe I've made a 20-minute video on a fan. That's because I like it. Obviously, I like it. For me to buy 2 more of these things, so I've got one in my living room. One of these is going to go to Mom's house, probably the white one, because she'll be happy to have the fan that's in there replaced with something that matches. And it's quiet. Let me point it towards the camera now. We'll turn it up. That's medium. I don't know what it sounds like on the camera. Maybe it's, but it's very quiet. It's whisper quiet almost. High speed. It's not annoying. That's the nice thing. You get those big fans, they're enormous. Yeah, they blow a huge amount of air, but the air blows in your nostrils or blows in your ears, and it's just too much. This is perfect for one person. You're not going to cool down a room with this. This is just going to circulate the air. This is this is going to Mom's house. This one is going on the bathroom counter. And for people, something to think about. Even if you have a fan that blows the air or circulates the air in your bathroom, you don't get enough air circulation with that. Really what it does is it sucks the air out. So you end up getting mold on the bathroom walls. You get the spores in the shower. You get the spores on the wall. You don't want to have a fan next to a sink unless you have a CG, FI, C, whatever the heck that is. You got to be careful. You don't want to have electricity right next to a sink or a shower. But I'm going to be plugging this thing in, putting this on my bathroom counter, plugging this thing in, and the air is going to blow towards the bathroom. So the thing is, I've got a fan that sucks the air out, but it doesn't give me air circulation, so when I get out of the shower, there's still moisture and steam in the room next to the bathroom, by the bathroom sink, and there's a lot of moisture that's in the bathroom, and it stays there until it dries. It stays there for hours or maybe the whole day because there's no air circulating in the bathroom. $17, you could take care of a lot of problems in your house, besides getting a beautiful fan. No, they're not sponsoring me. I like a good product. I did not want to replace the fan that I had. I bought this thing and I went, wow, I should have done this a long time ago. What a cool deal. And I'm not going to show you the black one. The black one is obviously black and the white one is white. Honeywell HT-904, Honeywell HT-900. 3 speeds, 25% quieter, definitely quiet. Feel the power 25 feet away. It's just a good product. 1-year warranty. I don't know. Mine lasted 18 years. Not that these are going to last 18 years, but you just don't know. Thanks for watching. Go to the video description. You can do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, a share. Click on the donation link if you want to help me out. Donate on the PayPal. That will help me out. You can click on the little heart thing at the bottom of the video on the screen. That will help me out. And you can be the first one to do that because nobody's done that so far. Or you can just click on the video link and order this through Amazon. Thank you. There it is for those who want to see it. That's the black one. It's not a gloss. It's a matte black, just like the white one is a matte white or mate or whatever you call it. It's kind of a flat color. It's an awesome fan.